back to the channel. This is Camilla here, and this is my dad, and we are going to draw some clouds and a sun and a sunflower.
Correct. So make sure to follow the video real quick, and we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to be using our Five Below markers and some Sharpies and some other kind of markers. So we're going to get started. All right, so the first thing that we have to do is we're going to draw a circle in the middle. Not too big, not too small. Just a nice circle, just like that. Take your time. Make sure it's really good. Doesn't have to be a certain size. Then we're gonna draw spiky little flower leaves, just like that. And then we're gonna connect the next one, just like that. And then we're gonna go to the next one, just like that. And then we're just gonna keep going. All right. Remember, this is a sunflower, so it has to have a bunch of little petals, just like that. Go up and then come back down. Go up and come back down. And it's okay if there's a little gap. There you go. And then you want to put some in between once you're done. There you go. All right, you got to go all the way around. Whoa. All right. Yeah, there you go. All right, take your time. Make sure it's good. All right, this one you want to do it like this. Just like that, right here. Facing this way, see? And then that way you do this one right here. See? Just like that. Ah, yeah. And then you will do some in the middle and between those two, just like that. That way it's a nice full sunflower. See that? Whoa, check it out. See? There, beautiful. Okay. Now, once you have the sunflower, you see that? All right. We're going to make a very pretty smile, and you want to do basically a half circle. There you go. And then we're going to do some ovals. Another oval. And then what we want to do is we want to make a little circle here. Another little circle here. And then you want to do another little circle here. Another one here. And then we're going to go ahead and paint this, marker this up in all black. And those are the eyes. And the little white spots are the glare. Because he's super happy. She's super happy, I mean. All right. And then once we have eyes done.
Or you can put some eyelashes.
We can put some eyelashes. That is right. There you go. Just like that. All right.
I don't like getting.
Yeah, there you go. And you can make her smile. Yep. There you go.
That'll make her super happy.
Super happy. And mine, I'm going to make mine with her tongue sticking out like that. There, she's having fun. And then you want to do the stem all the way down to the ground. Just like that. All right. And then do the other one. There you go. All the way down. And then we're going to put a little bit of grass here. That's some grass. And then we're going to do a little more grass here. All right, and then right here, you ready? All right, here comes the next one. We're going to do a little hill going like this. Whoa, and stop right there. And then continue the hill going up this way. Whoa, look at that. All right, and then we're going to put a little bush right here. There you go. Just do a bunch of little U's or N's, however you want to see it. There you go. And then do another little bush here. Wow. Alrighty. Then we want to make a puffy cloud right here. So you make a puffy cloud just like that. Alright. There's no wrong way to make a cloud. And this cloud here is going to be happy. There you go. Make the eyes, and don't forget to put the little white dot. All right, and then up here we're gonna do another happy cloud. Whoa, see that? And this cloud's happy too. Just like that. Yay. All right, and then remember you can make clouds however you want. That's a beautiful cloud. And then right here you're gonna make a half circle. Whoosh. And then we're gonna make little spikes just like that. All right, make the little spikes. And then right here, you're gonna put 2 little ovals. Don't forget the little white dot on the edge. And then you're gonna make a smile because the sun is happy that he made the sunflower grow. Yay, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, now we want to put some little dots here all over the place like that. Just little dots. It's almost like having freckles for the sunflower because the sunflowers, well, they have little dots. Just like that. All right. You can put them everywhere. There you go. Now the last thing that we need for a sunflower is we need a line in the middle of our petals. Just like that. That's it. Alrighty. Yay. Look at that. Nice. Alright. Now we get to, what do we do next? We get to color it. Alright. Let's color the sunflower. We're going to put our Sharpie down. Get our 5-below markers. And the first thing that we need is yellow. Because we're going to do yellow on our petals. Look at that. Whoa. You do your petals. I think we're gonna have to use the thicker side to make sure we can get it done quicker. Look at that. Yes. That's the good thing about these 5-below markers. They have 2 sides. So you can go crazy with it. Look at that. Whoa. Check it out. Yep. And remember, you can turn your paper around, twist it, whatever you need. Just make sure that you color it in. Oh, wow, look at that. And remember, there's no wrong or right way of doing this. You're just having fun. Alrighty, there you go. Whoa, check it out.
I'm done.
Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. All right, now you got to do the green on the stem.
Number 46.
Number 46. Is it a dark green or a light green?
Let's see. It's right here.
Light green, there you go. Now do the stem. Whoa, I'm still working on mine. Camila likes to work fast. She's pretty quick. There you go. Look at that. Oh. She's getting the stem done. Oh my gosh. And you got to do the grass. Do it like that. Yeah, yeah. All right. Look at that. Whoa, that's cool. All right, now I'm gonna do the stem. I'm gonna do it in this green, which is a lighter green. Just like Camila did. Then I'm gonna do the grass. Wow.
There.
Did it already?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. All right, then you gotta do the trees also.
Wait, we didn't even draw the trees.
Oh, I mean the bushes, sorry. Do the bushes with the green.
I already did.
Oh, you did? Okay, well then come back with a darker green. Something darker than what you do. And then all you're going to do is line it up like that and do some lines here. That way they could see that it's kind of a shadow. See that? Whoa, that's pretty cool. Just like that. And then the grass, you outline the grass a little bit with the green. And then you could do one side of the flower just like that. So it looks like a shadow. Ta-da! Alrighty, now we need a bright yellow for the sun. I think we're going to use this bright yellow. Look at this. Whoa, yeah, that yellow's great.
I'm going to use this one.
Which one? That one? Do it.
My sun's pretty small.
Your sun's pretty small?
Yep.
Well, it's okay. Sometimes the sun looks small, but it's really big.
Yeah, I'm finished drawing it.
You're finished drawing it?
Yep. And now I need to color it in orange.
Orange? You're going to use orange?
Yep, for that.
Uh-oh, where's the orange? Oh my gosh, yes, I need an orange then. Alright, so I'm going to do the orange here. Just like that.
I'm ready to talk about the sun.
Oh my gosh, why are you so fast? Alrighty, now we need red. I need a red for the sunflower stone. Look, see? Sticking out her tongue. Oh my gosh. Such a funny flower. Then we'll use this light brown. Which number is this? That's BK28. We're going to use BK28 to do the inside of the sunflower. There you go.
Already done.
You're already done? Oh my gosh. There you go, look. Yay, and then go in here, do my little edge. Alrighty.
My sunflower looks very happy.
Yay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of this brown. I think it's this one. What number is this? WG5. I'm going to take a little bit of this one and put just a little bit of a line here like a shadow. That's it. Just a little bit. Ta-da! That way you can see that it's a shadow. And then if you want, you can make this into the smile. See? Yay! Alright, now the clouds, I think the clouds will need a very light gray color. So we need to get some of these other markers that we have right here. See this one? Yeah, we need like a nice shade of gray.
How about like this?
Yeah, like that one, see? And then you just shade in the gray. That way they look like real clouds, see? Yay. Okay.
And I'm going to add a shadow.
You gonna add a shadow?
Yeah.
You can.
I'm going to use like this.
Go for it. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's nice. Oh, I need to do that to mine too. Let me borrow that color, Cami.
Sure.
That's beautiful. All right, so let me try this one. Whoa. There you go. Look. Now the clouds look like they have a shadow. Whoa. Okay, sweet. All right, now, to make this faster, if you want to make it look like the sky, you take a blue. Okay, any blue. And all you got to do is make little swirly designs. That way, it looks like it's windy outside. You see that? Just make little swirls. Just like that. It's windy. See that? Whoa, there you go. And that'll kind of say like, oh my gosh, it's windy outside. But it's beautiful. We're done. Whoa, what do you think?
That's very awesome. I love it.
You love it? Okay, guys, what do y'all think? All right, guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, here's our sunflower. So, make sure to hit the what?
The subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
That's right, so you don't miss another video. Make sure to check out our next video. And I think we're going to be doing the letter C. And we might be doing, what starts with C?
Cat?
A cat?
Caterpillar?
A caterpillar. Whoa, a caterpillar drawing would be amazing. Maybe we should do a caterpillar. What do you think? Or
And a cocoon.
a cocoon. That's right. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell.
You got it. All right, be good. Ta-da. Yeah.